Pag nandun na lang, malalaman na lang niya.
Ha?
Malalaman na lang niya pag nandun na.
Nag-review pa ba siya ng story mo? Oh, talaga.
Saan ba tayo pupunta?
Leplar.
Sa probinsya niya. Sa Masbate. Mali pala. Bakit ka na?
Upload mo na ng tsura ko na naman.
Mag-ilimang oras na tayo bumabiyahe. Hindi lang ba? Mag-aanim. Tagal. Mag-aanim na oras ang biyahe. O, di pa. Thank you, bossing. Maganda, maluwag.
May ref?
May ref pa. Uy, shit, ang ganda.
Our home for a week. Excuse me.
Wow. Wow. Kung ganyan ang ganyan lang din ang dito yung umaga, hindi na tayo malis ito. Sige, testing. Testing. Wow, shit, ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Ano nakaraw mo na?
Panalo. Pero ang ganda mo. Diba? Pag gising mo ng umaga, ganyan yung makikita mo.
Ako?
Yeah. Yeah. Nandito na kami sa El Nido, guys. After 6 hours ng biyahe, sulit naman. Kita niyo naman yung view.
This is going to have its own
Set up na tayo ng
implication
gamit.
inside the country. It's going to
Ano meron dito? Ay, parang maganda nga dito. Ano to? The Tree House Beach Club.
Time mo na.
Wait. Mahaba pa.
Or dito? Opo, silent happy siya. Kailangan niyo sa silent happy.
Meron na kami. Tuto Pasa.
Grill. Pero walang grill.
Lakad pa tayo. Ano pa tayo? Meron pa yan?
Ang maganda rin.
Yun nga eh. Siguro maganda dyan gabi.
Boss, baka wala pa kayong tour bukas.
Meron na po.
Ito, salamat po.
Thank you po.
Pwedeng tumalon. Pwedeng tumalon. Dahil
Seryoso ka. Tatalo ka dyan. Pwede yung makibakod-bakod. Pwede naman.
Baba. Kasi pag sa taas medyo hindi maganda.
Kaya nagpapakita ba natin yung pagkataga-kalookan natin dito? Babakod. Ito isa.
Malinis city part na to.
Oh,
Kaya dito
yan.
linis sa
Tugtong.
sulat. Kaya dito linis sa sulat.
Ito isa. Ano to?
Ay, tatalon talaga ako dyan. Gusto ko.
Ito walang pangalan yung katabi. Pero maganda. Oo nga na. Ito beachfront ka nga. Wala namang access.
Hindi pwede.
Diyan ka dadaan.
Ito. Kasi ang may-ari din naman ito yun.
Ang ganda naman rito. Ang ganda ng view. Sobra. Oo, ibang iba to.
Pwede, kung gusto natin magpinili tayo dadaan sa cafe. Isa lang yung may-ari ng cafe tsaka yung kasama sa pagkakas.
Kung magbabalabak tayo, siguraduhin natin summer.
Tsaka hindi ganun kadaming dala.
Oo. Kasi
Talagang ano lang. Backpack
rekta,
lang.
ano na eh.
Wala nang aura-aura.
Island hopping.
Yes. Suot mo lang. Gusto mo sa airport pa lang, suot mo na yung ano.
Naka-life vest ka na, no? Sa airport pa lang. Hindi ka ba ingot?
Naka-deflate lang. Oo, gagawin.
Saan kaya nakapark yung ano nila, ano?
Yung YouTube
Mga
na.
Gio. Yung bago nilang boat. Matulin yung bago nilang boat
May
eh.
nag-ano eh. May nag-vlog na nakaraan eh. Ay, nag-TikTok.
Mm.
Makain siya dyan. Tapos nakita niyo yung spotted niyo yung
Saan? Dito sa kainan na to?
yung kala Gio. Spot. Kami dyan. Grab ko eh. Ito na yun. Chabakan. Ano nga ba yung Chabacano? Salita nila dito? Ay,
Sa buwan ko, yung broken Spanish.
oo nga. Sa'yo kung ano naririnig din. Ito na, kanya ka beach.
100
Ito na yan? Not yet.
Ano yun?
Las Cabanas?
Ah, itong pababa.
Dito nga. Oo. Thank you. Ay, maglalakad na tayo. Yun nga, yung aakyatin. Uy,
Bakit?
kaya ba to?
Sabi ko na sir, kaliwa na po pagkatapos ko. So pwede ko mo doon? Pwede ko sir.
Kaya ba ako nito?
Pwede na po sir, kailangan mo ng dulo na po. Okay, sige.
Kaya ko yan?
Kaya. Oo na sir. Wala na ka.
Siyempre, lakad. Lakad ako. Hindi ako kaya. Bye-bye. Aray. Sige. Aray. Ay. Ang layo. Wait. Medyo kaya na ba ako? Eh, kapatid, tingnan mo. Oh, ang gano'ng kataas yan. Teka lang. Ano yung mga ko?
Dito sa mga sipol.
Hindi naman.
Tuturo naman po yung dati. Sigurado ka na ba? Hindi takot to eh. Takot pa yan. Hindi takot pa. Saan ba tayo? Likit to. Dito. Ano ba gagawin natin? Safe line. Sige.
Ito magawa.
Nakaba ka na? Hindi. Yabang. Iyak
Kinakabahan ako doon sa babalik natin.
sa lakad.
Lakad.
Ay, okay lang yun. Para may experience natin. Nadala ko naman yung isang mga banghap. Paikot para ano ka. Sige na. Okay, let's do this. Sabit lang yun. Ay, wow, ang ganda. Hindi bababay namin.
One way lang kayo, ma'am. Lain na, Jeff!
Sir,
Sir, baka tayo, sir.
baba tayo, sir.
Ay, one way lang pala.
One way lang.
Bilang isang kayo. Ganito. Sige na, ma'am. Sige, sir, mabatay siya. Sir, sir. Kailan?
Okay, dahan ka.
Paano yung isang natatakot ko sa simpihan?
Kailangan mo magsombrero.
Video mo sa akin.
Nakatalo si Palong.
Oh. Umiikot kasi ito eh, kung bakit. Dahan ka. Iya. After the ship ride, ano?
Sakaling kita.
Dog trick naman. Oh. Tingnan nyo naman ang dadaanan namin. Ganda ng tunog. Picture tayo rito, babe. Sino ka dyan?
Ha?
Sino ka dyan?
Inaantay ko yung limousine ko.
Limousine. Wala na dito. Picture tayo mo? Okay. Dito.
Mamaya may tutulog na tayo eh. Ang dagang natin nililihan. Meron na ba?
Wala pa naman.
Wala masyadong tourist na.
Eto gamitin mo.
Hindi.
Magbalabal ka na lang. TS para aesthetic. Medyo matarik. Sige. Sige, salin kita pag ano.
Wow. Sabay tayo.
Human barrier.
Go.
Kaya na. Huwag may pagbalikod.
Kaya naman, basta hindi mainit. Hindi naman mainit. Sabi ni Kuya Sarah, di ba kasi hindi ako? Ikaw rin ba?
Oo.
Hindi sabi niya. Takot ka, ma'am? Oo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Iniwanan ka, di ba?
Sabi ko, bye-bye.
Tapos sa gitna ka nakabitin. Mas malayo nga yung ano ko eh. Yeah. Kunti na lang. Masaya ka? Saan na tayo pabalik? Ayun. Linya na yun. The journey of the lost couple. Saan tayo pupunta? Hindi ka na makangiti ah.
Malungkot na ako.
Bakit ka malungkot?
Ang dami kong kati-kati.
Diyan. Naku, puta na. Oh. Mali.
Ang hirap maglakad pag piki ka. Tapos,
Tama ba to?
sabi ni Kuya, kurba-kurba.
Oh, sige. Lakad. Naku. Kung mag-shape line kayo rito sa El Nido. Yung two-way na. Putang ina.
Wag.
Pag one way, ito idadalan nyo.
Ano ito mga nalipad?
Yan, pababa na yan.
Ano mga nalipad? Ano yan?
Parang paru-paro. Yan, doon kami galing. Sa pinakababa. Ewan ko kung nakakalahati na kami.
Hindi recommended yung ano.
Ayun yung nag-zipline, no?
Hindi recommended yung tuloy. Kasi maganda yung dinaanan natin. Diba?
Good morning, morning. Ganda ng view.
Okay, thank you.
Ilan na tayo nakasorry to?
Then, Luis, you sit down there so that hindi ako
Doon tayo sa kabila.
Everyone. By the way, everybody, can I have attention please for everyone? And I need some, can I have attention for everybody here? Because before we start our meeting, our first for today. By the way, everyone, before we start, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Once again, good morning, everyone. Have breakfast today? Yeah, we did have breakfast.
No sound eh.
Everybody, by the way, everyone, welcome aboarding, welcome aboard, welcome to Almeida, welcome to Almeida, Palawan, Philippines, and also welcome to our campus Blackland family. So before we start, family sir, let me introduce you sir first, and by the way, make the podcast on bed, okay? So everyone, my name is Pedro, I'm your going to be your tour guide for today, okay? Or I'm your lovable tour guide for today. And also, especially we have a partner tour guide, we are standing there on back.
Good morning everyone!
Being my partner tour guide. And also, very important, our boat for today. Our lead captain, JJ Indians.
Good morning, sir.
That's our
Good morning po. Sa inyo lahat. Good morning ma'am.
That's our captain, Captain Dodo. Okay? And also, we have a true partner to assistant captain. On the back,
Good morning! Morning!
and also we have another one here. Okay? Hello, promise to all of you, I know all of you are going to this today. Okay? So inviting you back here, Georgie, we are looking also for 5 destinations or 5 stops for today. So from now, we're going to our first stop for today, just called Helicopter Island. Okay? So Helicopter Island, I'm sure inviting you, our activity there, just only for people to get visited and relaxing activity, Helicopter Island. And also, once again, I'm sure everyone, if you want to take swimming, yes, Helicopter Island, we have a swimming area there. Anong tawag dito, Helicopter Island? And then our first stop is Helicopter Island. Okay? Not this one? Not yet. And also, after that, also, we're going to our second destination. Just go to that Lagoon. Because Lagoon, we're going now, after Doctor. We're going to our next stop is Lagoon. So our activity there for future daily activity and kayaking activity. Right. By the reason we're going to our Ginibing, our second destination is Cacao. That's our replacement of student beach. Because now we're running around so secret beach is not available now. Because now the water is high tide. So because I think
High tide daw.
we have
Sa secret beach.
going outside by swimming, so we didn't have time. Big wave push you inside. So your head push on the rock. So you're not get to everyone. Okay? So much bigger, I'm gonna get Staten Island because I know for everybody here, you're gonna go here and so enjoy not giving up. Right? Alright. Simply first, everyone, before anything else. Okay? So that's how we're gonna be in our second destination. Atlaw. Atlaw means laughter, or tawa. Okay? And after the Atlaw, the third after we're going to our third place. Just call this Teresa Beach or Sigalakaw Island. Okay? That's how we're gonna be in our third place. Our third place for Mr. Daily activity and relaxing activity and also another take ambulance here in our destination. Music selection. Our first stop for today's call is Eden Beach.
Mag-viral ka.
Eden Beach, that's our destination.
Sumidyante ka ka naman.
Once again, everyone, we are not going to leave our own place for your life jacket. Okay, Master? Because the life jacket is very life jacket is life. Okay?
Life. Life jacket is life.
Reminding you, we're gonna be in our last destination, just called is Matilong Island. Matilong Island for PPT and Snorkeling activity. Okay? But reminding you, everyone, we are not going to leave for your life jacket. And also, reminding you, during the snorkeling or swimming activity, everyone is not going that side or that side. Okay, Master? It's that side our balancer. Are you going that side or that side? Our boat master will going to side down for like 10 minutes, going to San Marino. Okay? Going that side. That side our balancer on the map. Okay? And reminding you, Master, as we know, the rules of regulations. First one, we are not allowed to collect from the shells, corals, or sand because movement sensors are for the public. Okay? So you won't believe me, you try it, it's not my money, that's your money. Okay? There's not allowed to souvenir. Okay? If you have to souvenir, I'm here. Okay? And by the way, everyone, before we start, don't forget the 18th of day. We have nothing but pictures, we have nothing but food friends, we have nothing but favorite step destination. Okay? So that's it, my short maybe to everyone. Thank you so much for everybody here for listening. Have a good day. And do your tour. Okay? Pagayon.
tayo ng Balachi. Kayak yan. Ang ganda rito, be. Siya. We're here at Secret Beach. Tama ba, be? Secret Beach? Secret Beach? Shit, ang ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Ganda, ganda, ganda. Ang ganda. Naka? Lalim.
Sige, bila. Oh. Patik daw, Bert. Bert, malalim. Malalim?
Ito yung snorkel place. Ito yung snorkel place.
Kaya nga eh. Pero ang lalim agad. Palalim agad.
Everybody's hungry.
Yes.
Everybody box, everyone, welcome. Welcome to our third place. Today's place is for Bulalakaw Island. So we're actually here.
Bulalakaw Island.
And also gonna take Havelock Trail on beach. Okay? Gonna be here almost like 59 minutes and 59 seconds. Everybody just yes. Put your body shoes or flip-flop. Okay? Okay, if you're coming with your bag here, just leave your bag here.
Saan daw tayo siya pupunta?
Ansa.
Next destination namin, Indang. Indang, tapos yung Las Mendes. Sana Picarla.
Sa Kapitanya.
Sunod na araw, Turbi naman. No? Tingloy, Taal, Alatagan. Ngayon maganda. So, kaso yung biyaya na 4 days, 3 nights. Pangkagamit. Pero masaya ko. Tingnan mo nga. Oh. Sa Palawan lang natin nakita. Ano nga island ito ba? Bulalakaw Island. Ganito ba? Pero walang lumot. Yung sa Bora kasi may lumot. Ito parang pinong-pinong. Diba?
Kaya siya pinong.
Ganun ba yun? Ah, tama pala.
Even if it's not summer, where we are not going on our barbecue. Kapay, inside out. About like kapay sa akin. Okay, okay, you're going to back on the boat. Bring your bag.
Hindi ka nakagad. Galing mo. So, lalangoy tayo. Oo nga. Langoy, langoy, langoy.
Paulang ka.
Biko tayo tap. Sana natin. Sige, sunod ka. May pasok doon. Saka natin. Tingnan natin. Wala pala. Anong meron sa loob, boss? Anong meron sa loob? Palabas lang po. Palabas lang.
Yung mismong open water.
Okay. Thank you. Siya. Ma'am, anong tour kayo, ma'am? Ha? Motor? Wala na motor dito. Maaraw na naman. Thank you, Lord, maaraw. Swerte na naman tayo, maaraw. Ignition, registration. Cloudy lang. Puro cloudy lang. Thank you, Lord. Maganda na naman ang magiging ano natin, be.
What's the name of your boat?
LCA number 2.
Okay.
Thank you, Kuya Roy.
Your tour package today is Tour B. So Tour B, we compose of 5 places, 5 destinations. Okay? The name of that 5 places is Entalula, Snake Island, okay, Pinasel Island, and then Cathedral. Also, they have 2 caves, but the last one is Cathedral. The activity there is picture taking only front of this boat. Okay, we cannot go inside because it's very dangerous to us, because sometimes at the entrance of the cathedral they have a sea snakes. All here, walo-walo.
Walo-walo. Walo-walo.
They have a 2 colors, white and black. It's not aggressive, but if you touch them, okay? Okay. So, ma'am, sir, 5 destination, but we need to divide the time. Okay? Because we consume the travel, and also every destination, we need to divide the time. 35 minutes to 40 minutes. Every destination. Okay? And our lunch area will stay at 1 hour. And also here in the window, we have a rules and regulation that we need to be followed here. First one, do not throw garbage into the sea. We have garbage on the boat. And during snorkeling time, please avoid stepping on the corals, because sometimes they have poisonous species. And keep that way. Okay? And during snorkeling, if you're tired to swim or snorkeling, don't sit down. Stand or sit down. It's not enough. Problem, the boat make a rolling and sink. Okay?
Okay? You know movie the Titanic? And collect anything from the beaches as a souvenir. Not allowed also. Sandstone corals or dead shells. Okay? Fish feeding, not allowed also. Okay? You give our food the fish, so the fish we cannot give the natural habitat. Going to the vet. Okay? Yes. So also our tour today is until 4 p.m. Okay, only our tour is finished. Going back, get here of 1 hour. Almost 1 hour. Okay? So ma'am, sir, they have a slogan here in El Nido. Do you like to hear? Sure. Okay. Leave nothing but footprints, take nothing but pictures, and bring nothing but a good memories. Did you like it?
Yes.
So that's all, ma'am, sir. Thank you for listening. So, ma'am, sir, this island is called Cathedral. It's called Cathedral because the okay. So activity here also, picture taking inside in front of the boat also. We're gonna go inside. That's very
Anong ano rato? Kudugnon Island. Dito yung Kudugnon Cave.
Talisay, Batangas.
Ah, Talisay. Oo, ano?
Medyo okay.
Saan cottage number yan? Be, parang sarap mag-swimming, be. Pero mamaya na, no? Kanina. Kakain daw muna bago pumasok ng cave. Kanina pa tayo nagpapanggap na isda. Maganda rin ako. Ang hirap pala maging isda. Kasusungkiti ka lang sa bibig. Kudugnon ko.
Nagmahalap ng tiyaga sa isang katulad ko. Bakit nga ba di ko man lang nabigyan ng halaga?
Wala pa.
Nagsisisi ngayon wala ka na.
Yes, yes, we're going. Where are we going in? Kalatagan Cave.
Mister, come here!
Go. Ingat. Ah. Oh, yung ganda. Lah, tingnan na picture. Thank you, brother. Uy, ganda. Teka, picture siya. Yung drone paniki. Ang iihinga ng no? Ang ganda na nga dito. Wow, this is the Snake Island. Ang ganda nga siya. Ito yung ulo ng snake. Kaya tayong picture ko pabalik. Medyo cardio. Ang ganda ng ano dito. Wow. Yung mga putin. Kaya pa? Ayun, malapit na. Oo nga. Kaya ba? Ayun o. Di ba? Hindi ka nangalay ngayon. Ayun, may daan dyan. Woo! Wow, hanggat ka lang. Hanin po mo. Ah. Sa? Hindi kita rito. Ano? Ayun. Yung mga island dog, patawid-tawid lang, no? Sa 30 minutes. Halos same biyahe ng papuntang Nakpan.
Yung nga kasi ang papunta doon malapit lang naman. Kaso yung papunta doon, maglalakad.
Tapos ganito ang dadaanan para dito. Sa susunod na balik. Sarap bumalik na bumalik. Wala kasi ganito sa Manila. Hindi pa. Reserved na yun sa sunod na balik. Ano ba yun? Mababad ka muna? Ha?